Coronavirus vaccines based on mRNA technology have been injected into millions of arms around the world, saving countless lives. The vaccines may be new, but the technology isn't. Scientists have been working with mRNA for decades, but it wasn't until the pandemic that there was enough funding for full implementation.
What we found is something I think, frankly, is the greatest scientific achievement in my lifetime. And I'm old enough to have that lifetime includes the development of a polio vaccine. I mean, this is remarkable. Within 11 months, we made a vaccine that is highly effective, that is remarkably safe, that can prevent you from catching and dying from this virus.
Scientists are now hoping to use the same technology to develop other vaccines. Moderna and others are conducting clinical trials for a new flu vaccine. Traditional flu vaccines made out of inactivated influenza virus, cultivated mainly in eggs, are given annually. In the 2019-2020 flu season, government data shows that for all ages, the range of effectiveness at preventing moderate to severe infection, including death, was between 30 and 45%, depending on the strain. Efficacy rates are low because getting the vaccine right is tough.
The flu virus makes mutations almost on a daily basis. I mean, that virus is a moving target. It's constantly mutating.
Offit is on the FDA Vaccine Advisory Panel that meets every March to pick which strain of the virus to use for the vaccine. The panel looks at the strains circulating in the Southern Hemisphere to determine which will likely be dominant in North America in the fall. It doesn't always get it right. Experts say mRNA technology could be a solution.
If you can speed up and make sure that you get the right strain that's circulating, which is what you could do, I think, with the mRNA, because the process is a lot quicker, you'll be able to increase that efficacy.
The holy grail among scientists is a so-called universal flu vaccine that could protect against several strains like the COVID-19 vaccines appear capable of doing. That could make an annual shot unnecessary. Rochford says mRNA could help in that development.
They've been working on it before COVID-19 came on board to try to think about mRNA vaccines for influenza virus, but this just opened the door and pushed it and sort of leapfrogged it much faster than we would have expected. So it's very exciting to see this shift.
Moderna envisions a future where one mRNA shot is given that will protect against a whole list of respiratory illnesses, including influenza, SARS-CoV-2, and others. That would be a major breakthrough for millions around the world. Karina Huber, CGTN.